Hi, this is using the number line, counting directly back to subtract. We are going to start with the 16, the first number in the equation. And then the second number is actually how many spaces we count back. So we're going to start with 16 and count back 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see where I landed is 11. So where you land is the difference or the answer. So 16 minus 5 is 11. And as you see, I was moving backwards and counting back to subtract. As we know, subtraction means to take away and to go backwards. So if you're on the number line and you're subtracting, you're going backwards. Okay, let's do another. Let's look at 18 minus 9. 18 is where I'm going to start, and 9 is how many spaces I'm going to move backwards or to jump. So let me start with 18. I'm going to jump spaces of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I also landed on 9. And we probably remember that from when we were learning about doubles. 9 plus 9 makes 18. And that is a related fact to 18 minus 9. But you can see we counted backwards on the number line. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. And I'm going to do another one. 14 minus 7. 14 is where I'm going to start. 7 is how many spaces I am going to move backwards. So I'm going to circle 14 and I'm going to count backwards 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I landed on 7. 7 is the difference or my answer. I moved backwards the 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're moving backwards on the number line to subtract. All right, let's do 13 minus 8. So I'm going to start with 13, and then I'm going to count backwards 8 spaces. I'm going to start with 13 on the number line, and I'm going to count back 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I land on 5. And where you land is the difference or the answer. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. You can see I went backwards, and you can see the 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's very simple to use the number line to subtract. All you have to remember is the first number is where you start. And the second number is how many spaces you jump or move backwards. So when we did 16 minus 5, we started with 16, we jumped back 5, and we landed on 11. When we did 18 minus 9, we started with 8, we moved back 9 spaces and landed on 9. When we did 14 minus 7, we started with 14, we jumped back 7 spaces and landed on 7. When we did 13 minus 8, we started with 13. We went back 8 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we landed on the 5. I hope this helps as you use your number line. Bye.